Ningbo Changrong Lighting and Electronics Technology Company Limited was founded in 1990. It's located in Ninghai County, Ningbo City, Zhejiang Province, 40 kilometers away from Ningbo Airport. The construction area of more than 60,000 square meters. It's a professional manufacturer focusing on spare lighting, charging emergency lights, rechargeable AC, DC fans, Wi-Fi doorbell, visual can eye, fingerprint lock smart home products. The company is equipped with a series of standardized procurement, injection molding, production, inspection guidance standards. The injection molding workshop has more than 100 injection molding machines, each of which is equipped with a fully automatic manipulator, which can quickly and efficiently complete material injection. In the professional design and production of rechargeable lighting products, rechargeable AC, DC fans, and smart home products field, has more than 20 years of rich experience. All products are designed and developed independently by the R&D department. The company has an independent coating and a silk screen workshop, which can complete the product spraying and printing process and meet the customized design requirements of customers. The company has a modern, intelligent PCB workshop, equipped with a series of fully automated PCB production lines, and now has more than 100 sets of automatic SMT placement machine, AI automatic fitting machine, wave soldering, AOI automatic testing, SMT reflow welding, and other mechanical equipment, which can independently complete PCB design, production, and testing procedures. The production and assembly workshop of the company follows the 6S management system, equipped with professional production lines and semi-automatic production equipment. The workshop is divided into small household appliances assembly area, LED lamps assembly area, electronic products assembly area, and packaging area according to product categories. All the layouts conform to ISO 9001, BSCI, UL, and other international factory audit standards. The company has 400 square meters of semi-exhibition hall. Main products involved in several standby lighting, factory standby lighting, outdoor sports, outdoor life, home life, life security, and other fields. As a national high-tech enterprise, the company relies on independent research and development for all its products. With a strong R&D technical team, and adhering to the pursuit of excellent quality and innovation, it has accumulated obvious technological leading advantages in the industry. At present, it has 7 invention patents, more than 100 utility model patents and appearance patents, and has become a technical leader in the industry. The company has an independent laboratory and has related project cooperation with TUV Rain, SGS, BV Inspection, UL, and other international third-party institutions, and can complete CB, SAA, UL, and other testing standards. Changrong products with the design concept of fashion, simplicity, environmental protection, and a strict perfect quality management system. Products with its good quality, beautiful appearance, faster innovation, excellent service, and the best-selling domestic and foreign markets. Continue to lead the industry, exported to the Americas, Europe, Africa, the Middle East and Southeast Asia and other countries and regions, and established far-reaching cooperation relations with many brands of the world. Changrong, as a professional LED photoelectric technology application production enterprise, is committed to providing customers with high-quality humanized products. Inherent enterprise spirits of honesty, pragmatism, enterprising, and the pursuit of excellence, and the enterprise values of idea, responsibility, sharing, and dedication. Leading technology, leading quality, leading service, leading brand influence is the core business philosophy of the enterprise, but also the source of the rapid development of Changrong. One Changrong, one dream. Changrong and our partners to pursue long-term development and create win-win cooperation.